Hi, I'm Paul, I'm a firefighter, and I'm going to show you how we can help in a car crash. We're going to show you how we stabilise the car, that means to stop the car from moving, and how we can use our amazing tools to cut the metal to get people out of the car. We use plastic blocks to stabilise the car to stop the car from moving. We use a lot of big tools and they're all amazing. They all play a different part. They can cut, crush and even pull the metal apart.